What? Talk to Mama. What?
Oh, tonight's a new,
What?
Mentalist.
What is it? What is it? What? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Tell Mama the story. What? What? What is it? Tell Mama the story. What? What is it? What is it? Yeah? Are you talking? What? What is it? Tell Mama the story. What is it? What? Tell me the story.
This is delicious.
Tell me the story. What? Tell me. What is it? Tell me the story.
So here come the Chiefs. Alex Smith, Anthony Casano with the one-hand catch.
What?
Got a 14-point Chiefs lead.
What is it?
But later on in the second, here comes Mayo.
Yeah?
You see this earlier?
What?
42 yards on that.
Oh gosh.
Now,
Really?